Dear scholars, today we will discuss on how to prepare receipt and payment account. As we know that receipt and payment account is a real account and it records all items of capital nature as well as for revenue nature in form of cash receipts and cash payments, whether these are for current year or belongs to previous year or for next year. Here, a format of receipt and payment account is given. We can see on debit side all the receipts are reflected and on payment side all cash payments are given. We know that receipts and payment account always starts with its opening cash balance. Opening cash balance involves opening balance of cash in hand and opening balance of cash at bank. Now we comes to receipts, subscriptions, donation, both type general as well as specific, life membership fees, entrance fees, admission fees, legacy, sale of fixed assets, sale of investment, sale of old sports material, sale of old newspapers, interest received on investment, dividend on investment, receipts from government, receipts from charity event, receipts from special funds, interest from special funds. Now we goes to credit side. Payments like purchase of assets, investment, rents, rates, taxes, repairs, maintenance, upkeeping of grounds, salary paid, wages paid, postage and courier charges, telephone expenses, entertainment charges, advertisement, audit fees, honorarium, insurance premium, newspaper. After putting opening cash balance on debit side and all the receipts on debit side, and then all cash payments made during the year on the credit side. Now the time has come. We have to need to do total of the both sides debit as well as credit. We have to find difference between the sum of credit side and we will place it on credit side as a balancing figure as a closing balance of cash in form of cash in hand or maybe in form of cash at bank. It is noticeable if the credit side exceeds the debit side, then an amount to become in the form of bank overdraft. Steps to prepare receipts and payment account. We already discussed on debit side. We put all the receipts along with the opening cash balance in form of cash in hand and cash at bank. And on the credit side, we put all the cash payments made during the year. Now we will do the sum of both debit as well as credit side and find the difference between the sum of credit side and put it on credit side as closing balance of cash or bank. If the sum of credit side exceeds the debit side, then place it on a debit side as bank overdraft and end the account. Here an example is given. The particulars belongs to Yadav Cricket Club for the year ending 31st March 2020. We need to prepare receipt and payment account for the given particulars. Here we can see that opening cash balance, opening bank balance, the subscription collected during the year, live membership fees, admission fees are given, and on the other side investment purchase, upkeeping of cricket ground, salary paid, telephone bill paid, entertainment charges, advertisement, honorarium paid, payment of newspaper, sports material purchase, closing cash in hand balances given. So this is the solution of example given. We put opening cash balances in form of opening cash in hand and cash at bank. We place subscription received, live membership fees and admission fees all are on receipt side, and on the payment side we put all the payments made during the year, and after totaling debit side and credit side we find the difference between the sum of credit side. This comes 4360. This is a closing balance in the form of cash at bank. Answer is 4360. Now we will end the receipt and payment account. Thank you.